Hi, welcome back to our channel. This is Dr. Chef. Today we're going to make tabbouleh salad, a classic Lebanese salad. Okay, so for this salad, you got to make this at least 1 hour before. So we have 1 cup of parsley, finely chopped or coarsely chopped. To this we're going to add 1 tomato. Okay, then I'm going to add, this is optional if you want to add some chilies. I've added some chilies, but especially scallions and garlic is needed, or you can put powdered garlic also. So that's there. Some fresh mint. It's fresh mint. And this is what we call bulgur wheat, which is soaked and in hot water and then drained off, and this will go inside this. Will give the depth to the salad. Salt and pepper right here, and some squeezed lime juice. Okay, to this we are just gonna add some olive oil and mix it all the way through. Okay, so once you mix everything, all you do is just get all those ingredients mixed up properly and then let it sit in the fridge probably for an hour or so, so all the ingredients mix well, and then we can eat this salad with our meal. Voila, so here you go. This is a colorful, nice salad, and parsley is very good. It's a rich source of iodine and also potassium, so you gotta include parsley in your salads for eating with your food.